Hello and welcome. Today we will convert a smartphone into a PC gaming remote. You need to download software called PC Remote Receiver. Download and install it. Link is in the description. Now on your Android smartphone, download and install PC Remote app from Play Store. Now open the app and turn on hotspot. In your PC, connect phone hotspot with Wi-Fi in your PC. Click Connect in the app. Tap OK. Now you can see your PC name. Click to your PC. Now you are connected. Click Layouts in the app. Click Add Remote. You can select any given remotes, but I am creating my own remote. I am creating my remote for NFS Most Wanted. See the controls of NFS to create your remote. Now my remote is created. And now I can control my game using smartphone. You can do many things using this app.